some reason, the water has stopped working at our house. For the repair of the water, and it looks like it has, in normal occasions, it seems to be a fuse. When you hear when you hear hoofs, think horses, not unicorns. It's almost always the simple problem with the simple solution rather than the complicated thing. That's it. The fuse. This guy, he's tracked it down. So you have the fuse. If there's no power, there's no power. If there's no power, it could be the breaker, it could be the fuse. If there's power at the fuse, then the next step is you're going to check the panel, which is the control for the pump, the on-off, and that's a straightforward swap and play. And that seems to be what we call the good noise. And if you've been following along, you'll know I have some experience with the bad noise and with the good noise. And goodness gracious, now we have the good noise. The tank est filled?
Ouais. We change the tank. The tank is...
The tank c'est bon? Changement le tank maintenant?
Yes.
Maintenant, okay. We're going to change the pressure tank now.
The tank and all the fit.
The diaphragm in the tank has failed, so we'll get a new tank. There's a reason why you want to call professionals. Here's the old tank, it's gone. The gentleman's getting the new tank. It's pretty spot on. Professionals do professional jobs quickly and at a cost that actually presents a real actual value to homeowners. My experience so far is very positive. And we have the new tank going in, and it's awesome. It's a new tank. Here we are, new stainless controller, stainless connections, and stainless steel is just going to last a nice long time. It's going to work out great. This is actually kind of awesome. Well, it's better if it wasn't necessary, but if it's going to be necessary, it might as well go smoothly. What the heck? I wish to make the observation that in general, tradespeople and service companies in Quebec are highly professional. I mean, my every experience has been absolutely positive, trustworthy, top notch. And look at this. I have a nice new stainless steel valve assembly. So this morning we didn't have any water. Here it is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and Benoit came, and now we have water. This is fabulous. We have water. We have cookies.